Hello dear students, welcome in the online classes providing by MPS School Taranagar. In the last video of electrostatic, we studied about superposition theory and force among many charges. Now we discuss about electric field. Electric field. What is the definition of electric field? Electric field is a field around a charges where any test charge bring, then this test charge fill the electrostatic force. So surrounding area of a charge is called electric field. We imagine this area. In this area, any charge, any test charge, this is the test charge. When we bring in this area, so this test charge is feel electrostatic force. We know that electrostatic force work between two charges. Then this test charge feel the electrostatic force. So this surrounding area is called electric field. It is represented by E vector. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Clear? A area surrounding a charge in which any test charge is bringing, then a electrostatic force filled by this test charge. So surrounding area is also called electric field. Next अपने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity also represented by E vector. It is also a vector quantity. Definition of force upon test charge. Clear? F force Q naught is the test charge. So the definition of electric field intensity is the ratio of force on per unit test charge is called electric field intensity. It is defined by E vector. It is defined by E vector. Clear? Next unit of it. Here two unit is present. First, force Newton, test charge Coulomb. What is the test charge? We will talk about after some time. Now, first unit is Newton upon Coulomb from this formula. When we studied in the third chapter, we will read a relation V is equal to E upon D in the third chapter. There E electric field or electric field intensity, V potential, D distance, then E is equal to Vd. This is a formula for electric field intensity, another formula. So second unit is Newton meter. This is the second unit of electric field intensity. What is the definition of electric field intensity? The ratio of force on per unit test charge is called electric field intensity. Now, our next topic is electric field intensity is also vector quantity. Our next topic is electric field intensity due to a point charge. Electric field intensity due to a point charge. This is very most important topic. Generally many times it is asked by the board examinations. electric field intensity, we will find out the value of E vector due to a point charge, due to a point charge. When we start this topic, we discuss about the test charge. What is the definition of test charge? Test charge is a imaginary charge, imaginary charge, imaginary, only dependent our imagination. This charge, it not exist in the nature. So this is the imagination. If any charge is in the form of imagination, then there is no electric field, electric field provided by it. So then what is the definition of test charge? A test charge is a imaginary charge which cannot provided electric field. So this charge is called test charge. Clear? It is defined by plus q naught, not in the form of minus q naught. This is not possible, this is possible. Clear? Next, our topic is electric field intensity due to a point charge. Let us consider that this is a point which name is O. A charge plus q is present here. You can take minus q. Clear? Then a point P is situated here. Distance from O is R. Then we have to calculate electric field intensity due to this charge at point P. We know that due to a plus q charge, the direction of electric field, it always outside the plus q charge, and for minus q, it is in the direction inside the charge. Here plus q charge is present, then direction of electric field along the x-axis we take E vector. If you take the y-axis, then you will take the direction this side. If you take the minus x-axis, then you can take the direction in the minus x dash. If you take the y dash axis or negative of y-axis, then you take the direction in this direction. So we take a point charge at origin and we have to calculate electric field intensity at this point, and we take the direction along the x-axis. So we know that electrostatic force cannot work from a single charge. It can work between two charges. So a test charge, we consider a test charge plus q naught present here. Hence electrostatic force between this charge and this charge, electrostatic force between plus q naught and plus q, F vector Fe. Clear? K q naught upon r square. This side is no any vector, you can take the unit vector. If you write only one side vector, then equation will be wrong. You will write both the side, use the vector. Also here electrostatic force. Now by the definition of, we have to calculate electric field intensity. By the definition of electric field or electric field intensity. Clear? Definition: E vector is equal to F vector upon Q naught. E vector put the value of F vector here, then K Q naught upon R square R cap Q naught to Q naught cancel, E vector is equal to KQ upon R square R cap. This is the answer of electric field intensity due to a single charge. If negative charge is present here, then for minus Q charge, E vector is equal to minus KQ upon R square R cap. This is the electric field due to a negative charge. Next step, graph. What is the value? What is the graph between E and R? Between E and R, you can make the two graph, x-axis, y-axis. This is the origin. Here R square is inversely proportional to the E, then you make the graph look like that. If you take here R, here E vector. If you take 1 upon R E, then 1 upon R square, then you will make a straight line E or E. Why we don't use any bracket here? Because in this condition relation of E is inversely proportional to the R square. Here we take 1 upon R square as a single quantity, then E is directly proportional to 1 upon R square. This is the electric field due to a point charge. Our next topic is electric field intensity due to system of charges. Due to system of charges. Due to system of charges. Here we have a plane, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the horizon. We take a point P which position vector is R naught vector. Clear? We put a test charge here plus Q naught, because electrostatic force work between two charges. Here we take a Q1 charge. We take a Q1 charge. Then position vector of it is R1 vector. Then displacement vector between Q1 and Q plus Q naught is R naught 1 vector. I defined in the second part of electrostatic. So a single charge is Q1. Due to this, electric field will be E naught 1 vector. If we have Q2 charge, then position vector of it R2 vector. Due to this charge, electric field will be E naught 2 vector, then displacement vector will be R naught 2 vector. We have n charges, then Rn vector, here Q1 charge, then displacement vector between plus Q naught and Q1 is R naught n, and electric field due to Q1 charge is E naught n vector. Clear? So electric field due to Q1 charge at P. In this case, E naught 1 is equal to KQ1 upon R naught 1 square cap of R naught 1. Electric field due to Q2 charge at P, then E naught 2 vector is equal to K Q2 R naught 2 vector square cap of R naught 2. We have Q1 charges, so we can use here up to. It represent the value is going towards the n charges. So electric field due to Q1 charge at P, E naught n vector K Q1 R naught n vector cap of R naught n. Clear? We studied in the last part of electrostatic superposition theory. By superposition theory, total electric field is a vector quantity, hence resultant electric field or total electric field is equal to the vector sum of all the electric field, E naught 1, E naught 2 up to E naught n. Put the value of all K Q1 R naught 1 vector square cap of R naught 1. Put the value of K Q2 R naught 2 vector square cap of R naught 2 plus up to plus K Q1 R naught n vector square cap of R naught n. Clear? Hence, we can take a common. K is common here and value of K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R naught 1 vector square cap of R naught 1 plus Q2 R naught 2 vector square cap of R naught 2 plus up to plus Q1 R naught n vector square cap of R naught n. You can use here summation also. E vector 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to small n Qi R naught I vector square cap of R naught I. This is our answer, or this is our electric field intensity due to a system of charges. Clear? Thank you so much.